All right. Well, I'm excited about this clamp-on solar motion light. I already have another brand similar to this, but this one has the advantage that it has the USB charging as another way to charge it. So if I put this someplace where it just can't get into the sunlight enough to charge, then I could charge it using the cable instead. Okay, so it has a kind of a waterproof cover here, and then you see a USB-C and a USB-A connector. I do not know what the USB-A connector is for. Obviously, you're going to charge it using the USB here, but USB-C. But it's possible that this is just a pass-through so that you could charge this and something else, maybe a second one of these, at the same time. But it doesn't say in the manual. In any case, no, if you're thinking that maybe it can charge your smartphone, this thing says it's only a 1.5 amp hour battery. Okay, you're not, that's just, the battery inside of this thing is only a fraction of what's the capacity is of your smartphone. So, let's try charging it. All right, here it is charging. Again, using the USB-C connector, not the USB-A connector receptacle. And you can see now it is blinking red to white. And when it is fully charged, it's going to change to white. Okay, there we go, it's charged. Okay, so then this has several different ways to mount. There are these hooks here. So this is a adhesive back. You peel it off and stick it to a window or something like that, and then you can just literally hang this thing like that. Okay, and then against a window. And then it has this mounting bracket, which you see has the screw holes inside of it. And the way that works is it's a press fit into this, a friction fit. I don't like that a lot because now you've got the whole lever arm of this weight like this. Oops, I have it upside down. If you mount it like this, and I don't know if I trust that, but I guess it'll hold. All right. And then mounting hardware. These screws aren't very big. These screws are not big enough for the wall anchors here, so you'd want to get a longer screw if you want to do that. All right, and then here, I can show you that if I just put this thing against the table, which darkens the solar panel completely, it will turn on, you see. And then it's got the 3 modes, and then you can adjust, well, let me turn this on, okay, either white, which is just, these kind of lights have both a cool white and a warm white LED. So there's white, cool white ones, then there are the warm ones, and then you could put them both on. And that gives you something in between. And then here is the adjustment for intensity, which is useful because if you don't need full intensity, then you don't need to drain the battery with full intensity. There's not a lot of difference. You probably can't see it too well in the smartphone because it's going to automatically adjust for brightness. And then it's got a timer function as well. Okay, so that's it. Let's see how it works outside. All right, it's dark enough outside. I'm inside the sliding glass door leading out to the deck. And that blue dot, let me zoom in a little further, is the clamp-on light attached to a tree limb. So we'll open up the door here. Walk out. Side. And there it goes. Okay, so I'm, how far away am I here? Right there, and there's the door. Okay. So then it's nicely illuminating the propane gas grill over there that's right now covered with a cover in snow. Now it's gone off again, and now if I move around, hopefully it'll go, yep. All I have to do is move a little bit and it comes back on. Very nice.